Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Glue to S3 for ETL pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the Services menu. Once in AWS Glue, select Connections from the left sidebar. Click on Add Connection to create a new connection. Choose Amazon S3 as your connection type. Fill in the connection name and description fields for clarity. Select the appropriate options for your use case, such as the connection type and access permissions. Store the connection settings and click Next. Now, proceed to set up a crawler. From the AWS Glue dashboard, select Crawlers. Click on Add Crawler to initiate the crawler setup. Name your crawler and provide a brief description. Specify the data store as S3 and input the S3 path to your data. Configure permissions by specifying an IAM role that allows access to the S3 bucket. Set the crawler's output database where it will store the metadata. Review the configurations and create the crawler. Run the newly created crawler to populate the Glue data catalog with metadata. Once the crawler has completed, navigate to the Databases section and confirm that your data is cataloged. Now, create a new Glue job. Select Jobs from the AWS Glue dashboard. Click on Add Job to start the job creation process. Provide a meaningful name for your job. Choose an IAM role that has the necessary permissions to access S3 and execute Glue jobs. Select the data source from the Glue data catalog created earlier. Specify the transformation properties for your ETL process. Use Glue's built-in ETL features or write custom code in Python or Scala. Configure the job properties including allocated resources and job bookmarks. Once everything is set, save and run the Glue job. Monitor the job's progress in the AWS Glue dashboard under Jobs. Check the S3 output location to ensure that the ETL process ran successfully and the data was saved correctly. Review logs in Amazon CloudWatch if any issues arise during execution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.